What's up, y'all? It's your girl Boujee Poocee, and I am here again with another video. Today I'm still continuing my keto diet, and so I'm about to do meal prep for my keto diet. So today I'm making shrimp stir fry, and I picked up a bag of the Kroger brand stir fry kit, the pad thai. And then I had got these from Sam's Club, the Wild Catch red shrimp. Very good. They don't even need seasoning. And I got some Green Giant rice veggies. This is cauliflower rice. So we'll see how that turns out. So I'm just going to stir up the stir fry. I did use my Pam olive oil, which is 0.4 Weight Watchers. And I just sprayed the pan and then I sprayed on top of it. Because they did ask for a tablespoon of oil. So I'm just, the directions for the stir fry said a tablespoon of canola oil. And canola oil is not good for the diet. And in the midst of me cooking up these vegetables, I need you to like the video, subscribe to Boujee Poocee's page, and leave a comment of how you think I'm doing, and if you're interested in more videos like this, the keto diet vlog, and we can get it cracking for 2019. I'm gonna be doing this. This is a meal prep, so I won't be doing it every day. So I'm going to I took it off the heat because I had it on high and I'm waiting to cool down. I won't be doing a video every day because it's going to be meal prep. So this should last me Saturday. This will be a 3-day meal prep. Again, like my video, subscribe to my page, and leave a comment below. And don't forget to turn your bell notifications on for Boujee Poocee. And that Boujee is spelled B-O-U-G-E-E, Poocee, P-O-O-C-E. I'm gonna order me a chef hat. Got too busy at work today to order my chef hat, so I'm gonna order one. Once I finish with this, I'm going to transfer this out of here and start the prep of my shrimp. Once I finish doing this, I'm going to add the sauce to this. Is reduce heat to low, and now I'm going to add my sauce. Seems like my stove is still really hot. I'm gonna put a lid on that, so just in case they need a little bit more simmering. Now I'm going to cook my shrimp in some butter. I got my, I believe, I can't believe it's not butter, which is 0 points for Weight Watchers, which is good for me. Okay, I'm just gonna pour mine in there because I don't feel like spraying. And I'm gonna turn it back up and let that cook, let that melt, and go get my shrimp. So this meal prep, as you can see, doesn't take long. I'm going to add my shrimp. Like I said, these don't need seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and add some garlic powder. Don't need those. Do not need any kind of seasoning, salt, anything, because they're going to have flavor. These red shrimp, they come flavored. I'm gonna go ahead and go grab my meal prep container so I can show you them while the shrimp is cooking. Okay, so these are my meal prep containers. They come with 3 sections. I ordered these from Amazon. I think they came 16 in a case. Maybe they were like maybe $12.99, $16.99, but I bought them last year, so I really can't remember. But you look them up on Amazon. You want the 3 compartments, so you can have your meat, your veggies, and your starch, or different compartments. So I have these, and I'm going to get them set up so I can start transferring stuff, because like I said, this meal prep does not take long. After this, I do have to cook the family some food, so I do have I'm going to be cooking them, and I cook my shrimp until they fold over into until they come together. That's how I tell that they're done. I don't know about anybody else, but I know people say shrimp don't take long to cook, but I want my shrimp done, well done. See all that, you can see all that seasoning. This shrimp makes its own seasoning. As you saw, I only put garlic powder in there and Mrs. Dash, and see the seasoning that comes out of them. It's like a red sauce. It makes its own red sauce because they're called red shrimp. So yeah, looking pretty good. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and microwave my rice. I'm not putting it in a bowl. It's easier to microwave, and it does say, I'm sorry, again, this is cauliflower rice, and it comes in the freezer. It's in the freezer section, where the vegetables at. And it's microwave. Please place unopened bag standing up in the center of the microwave. Microwave on high 5 to 6 minutes, or until hot. Let's stand 1 minute and microwave. Carefully remove bag. Okay. So do 5 minutes. My microwave cooks pretty good. Go back to getting my separating my bowl, getting my meal prep ready. So I'm sure my veggies are done, and I'm going to go ahead and transport them into my. I'm going to transfer them over to my containers. Got that. Got that transferred. I believe my shrimp is ready. I'm going to go ahead and taste one just in case I'm. Go ahead and taste one. It is. Oh, these things don't play. They do not play. That seasoning, that red sauce. This red sauce is the bomb. You do not need any seasoning with these. As you see, I used Mrs. Dash, just sprinkle Mrs. Dash and some garlic powder. But my gosh. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer these over into my containers while I'm waiting on my rice. Okay. Once we got shrimp. And let me get a spoon for my rice.
Every part of this.
Okay. So my veggies are ready. And again, this is my first time tasting this, but in my group, in my keto diet group, they swear by these. They swear by this rice.
Dr. Baird, are you there?
So maybe I'm gonna try it.
Yes, I can hear you. Dr. Baird, we have a case in the courtroom today. We've never seen anything like it at fraternity court. Dr. Baird, we have 2 biological brothers
Not bad.
with very similar names.
Okay. So I am going to, add a little bit of this sauce, shrimp sauce to my rice. So here's my meal prep. I have my wild catch wild shrimp from Sam's Club. I have my cauliflower rice made by Green Giant. It is in the freezer aisle at your grocery store. I got mine from Kroger's. And I have my stir fry. So this is how it looks. And I made 3. Well, it was only enough for 3, the stir fry. So I made 3 dishes. And also the rice was only enough for 3 too. So that worked out pretty good. So I have, today is Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunday will be a different day. So I'll be back to you on Sunday with my new dish. Also, yesterday I did my meal prep for my dessert, and I chose Jell-O. And I am having a hard time getting this lid off of here. Oh, there it is, because I broke the little lever that was on there. So here's my Jell-O, and I'm going to separate this as well. And I can show you my meal prep for my desserts, because you know you're supposed to have a small portion of dessert. So these are my meal prep containers for my dessert. I think I got these from Family Dollar, and they come with a twist cap. So all right, so yes, they came with a twist cap, and here's a twist cap on that, and just twist on. Okay, so I'm going to be separating my Jell-O. Again, if you have not been, if you're just catching up, I want you to like my page, leave a comment below, let me know how I'm doing, and if you like it, if you want to see more and what you want to see. Like I said, I do belong to a Facebook group, so they post a lot of stuff, and most of the time I'm copying, trying to repeat what they're doing to help me out to stay focused, because they do post a lot of good food. And also subscribe to my page and turn your bell notifications on for Boujee Poocee. And so I'm going to scoop my Jell-O into my container. Okay. And that's one. Kind of hard to see here. Got a whole thing going on here. Alright, so I have enough for one more. I'm going to go get find that container and scoop that in there. So alright, so my meal prep is set. I'm all set. So I have my food and my Jell-O. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe to my page. Hey, thank you.